just really flat. They were just behind by 8 at the half. But Abra switching into another gear, talagang tuluyan.
Better at to start yung performance nila compared to the very low, I think 14% only from the free throw line.
Ildefonso lines it up for 3. It's good.
Well, that's one thing that Dave is definitely going to continue to try, especially as in this playoffs. He shot what 21% only last game, but you understand he's never going to shy away from an open shot situation, just like this guy right here.
Kalahat counters with a 3 of his own. Caloocan up by 2 again, 5-3.
Kalahat is actually close to a 40% three-point shooter, but you know, for him to be able to continue with that, they also got to secure the defensive rebound on the other end of the floor.
Gio Chu gets the putback.
Got done well from beyond the arc.
Paul Sanga, hindi naglaro ng game number 1.
Kaya nga, sayang rin yun. Ang magandang weapon rin yun. Nice feed!
Bitoon finds Ronnie Matias.
Caloocan, and so that maka-generate ng closeouts at patrabahuin rin ang depensa in terms of defend against shots. Itong Abra Weavers.
Skip pass to Jason Brickman.
Oh, man.
Who knocks down a free.
That's the gravity, Chu, for leaving it up for that roll by Ronnie Matias.
Brickman tries another free. Back-to-back for Jason Brickman.
The guy is not throwing bricks, just like...
Chris Bitoon attacks. Gonzalez got a piece of that one. Ildefonso in transition. Was fouled hard by Romel Kalahat, preventing an easy layup.
Ildefonso.
Itong free throw na ito, dito sa ating Extreme Appliances, Aksubok at kompletong appliance brand ng Pilipinas. Of course, Danny Ai is in the building. Kasama rin ang kanyang 2 daughters. Both playing volleyball. Very extensive sports history nitong Ildefonso. Speaking of, Ronnie Matias turns around and scores for halfway point already here in the first period. Matias, multiple fakes, still got rejected by Raven Gonzalez. That length clearly a factor, and the vision meanwhile by Brickman setting up John Oduba underneath.
And that really, alam mo yung basang-basa yung mga reads and flow ng offense and especially the defense. Oh man!
Equally nice pass by Mike Ayon-Nayon.
And again, itong Abra Weavers, ang dami nilang players.
1. He hits the second free throw. Taiwan puts on the Jets. The follow-up, Batino had a couple of those in Bangged.
Isa na siya sa mga inaabangan pagdating sa scoring para dito sa Caloocan. He's the 3rd best scorer para sa Caloocan, and so if he stops shooting, where are the points gonna come from? And one guy that really needs to score as well is Manlangit. He did have per game below 70% on all the opponents and on average that they played this season so far.
Nice passing inside. Gonzalez. Nahanap si Alfred Batino.
And it doesn't help the cause of the Caloocan team that the bigs of the Abra Weavers are also very capable passers. Nice pass inside and a good find.
Cutting back door was JJ Manlangit.
Your team definitely needs it.
12 seconds remaining. Last shot time for the Weavers. Serrano forcing his way in off the glass.
Boy, if they're not making shots from the outside.
Katawan niya, Coach Mike.
Kaya nga, Migay, parang grabe pa rin yung performance na pinapakita nito ni Jason Brickman. But, I mean, to Mika's report, kasi yung mga, yung basketball IQ ni Jason Brickman, certainly off the chart. The first couple of games, nakita natin, he was trying to ease his way in. May mga pasa nga na sanay siya na nako-convert ng kanyang mga kampe. But, I mean, in game number 1, especially with the bigs.
Remember, the Weavers have not lost in their last 29 games. So you gotta exert a lot of effort.
Halos 8 buwan na rin, no?
Oo.
Wala silang talo at si Batino nakawala. getting the reverse layup.
Abra Weavers, last season pa lang, ang laki na ng expectations. So, you really got to build on those learnings from your very first season and try to take the title home this 7th season of the MPBL.
Serrano just willing that one through against the stingy defense of James Ingles.
You got to take that if you're Kalahat.
Irvin Palencia, Joey Barcuma, Ronnie Matias, James Ingles, who got that follow-up to go. Kalahat gives it back to James Ingles.
Good
Not
shot.
shy to take that three, kissing it off the glass and in.
And I will always be Tino before lifting this pivot foot.
One-hander will work for Joey Barcuma. Lead is down to 4.
And measure that defense right in front of him. Pero itong zona na to, pinatigil rin yung fast break nitong mabilisang pag-score para dito sa Weavers.
Nakalusot si Alfred Batino.
Well, one of the best ways.
Batino, 8 puntos, 4 na rebound. Ildefonso, side step. Difficult shot, making it look easy.
And katulad ng sinasabi ko kanina, the moment that
Against Jolo Mendoza, backing him down. Nowhere to go. Caloocan with 2 on the shot clock. Ingles in the nick of time,
wow.
puts it in.
Impressive minutes here being shown by 75%. But, there are going to be those days. But the important thing is he contributes in other departments.
8 ang labang. Bitoon fading away. Beautiful looking stroke from Chris Bitoon.
Wow, they're just down.
And then able to recover to force Gio Chu into a traveling violation. Oh, nice pass. Bonsubre. Ginamit ang banda. Coach Ice, motivation niya pag uwi. Masarap na pagkain. Parang yung pinuvite sa atin dito.
Oo nga naman.
Manday! Wakali!
Mga close passing.
Bola muntik ng maagaw. Brickman libre para sa dress. Yes!
Somebody reported.
Attacking the defense of Gio Chu. Can't convert. 7 seconds remaining. Enough time for Abra to put up a shot. Gio Chu inside. And that's something to say to Joko Tayongtong as the second quarter comes to a close. Solid North Weavers 43-34 over Caloocan.
Sa mga scorer na inaasahan ni Coach Mike sa gigit.
Kalahat, 5 on the shot clock. Getting past Batino, laying it up and in.
How about that peel off by Batino trying to defend against Kalahat, pero better offense for Romel. Oh!
Grabe yung Batino in this game.
Shut effort of Caloocan. And can you imagine, this game really close so far in the third quarter.
Banday, fast break, lays it in. Lead down to 7. Pero dito mas maganda yung nagiging performance nila. Kalahat, wala. Uy, Ingles was there to clean it up.
Well, even a scramble opportunities.
Provided after not even playing at all in game number 1. Serrano nasa loob na para sa Abra. Nakalusot at naipasok yung tira laban kay Jeff Manday.
That was a missed defensive call.
In traffic. Ilabas muna kay Batino, balik kay Encho. At the baseline, Brickman libreng-libre para sa tres. Lista mo na!
Well,
heading into the fourth quarter.
It's a single-digit quarter for Caloocan. They need points right now.
Manlangit, second pull-up jumper, knocked down by JJ. 10 segundo nalalabi sa ating third quarter. Abra in penalty. Matias, back to Manday. Flips it up, gets the friendly bounce to end the third.
Well, I think pick your poison.
Until that last minute where they scored a couple of baskets courtesy of JJ Manlangit and Jeff Manday.
Yes. And akala nga natin magiging siyam lang yung output niya. And again, Manlangit is again going at it. I mean, if you're gonna go down this series,
Offensive rebounds have been huge for Abra. 17 offensive rebounds. But they turn the ball over. Bitoon, bounce pass. Gets it back from JJ Manlangit. And they trim the gap to 8 points. This isn't...
Weavers, he has to contend against, Brickman. He has to contend with Marvin Taiwan. Nice skip.
Mike for three. Yes, sir! Just in the nick of time. Brickman. Skip pass to John Oduba. Mike Ayonayon. Dinalik kay Jason Brickman. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Jason Brickman. Too easy.
He's just that good.
Kabanag. Nakalusot. 64-53.
Selfish because you want to win this game.
Serrano on an island against Manday. Uduba, he will try a free.
Oh, wow.
John Uduba. Kabanag at the right corner. Trying to shake off David Defonso. Nice cut by Barcuma.
Well, alam na ni Encho Serrano, he got beat down. Joey Barcuma.
Past the halfway point of the fourth. Encho gliding in the air. Another offensive rebound, but Gonzalez misses at the rim. Manday, stop and pop three.
There you
Patay!
There you go. That's what we've been waiting for. And he now...
Number 19 for Abra.
Oh,
Brickman
wow.
behind the back. Flips it up. Puts it in. Plus a foul.
Oh, my goodness. He's just toying with everyone. See that? Tried to spread his legs to create that separation against Joey and able to finish off leg amidst that defense by Barcuma.
Picks a great move of the game. Born for greatness. Maintaining his dribble.
Kasi he's really more of a catch and shoot guy or escape dribble shooter.
That's the thing as Ronnie Matiaslo scores. They were able to dethrone Pampanga, but this night belongs to the Abra Solid North Weavers. 30 consecutive victories and counting.
I think that's unheard of in Philippine basketball history at Weavers.
74-62 our final score. Abra beating Caloocan here in game number 2. And they are the first team to advance to the division finals.